Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to unbox and swatch this nail art gel kit that I got from JOSLOVE or JOSLOVE. I really don't know how to say that correctly, but this brand is from Amazon and they reached out to me and sent me this kit. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this box. So this kit retails for $25.99, but if you use my code 15Jessie, you will be getting additional 15% off. So this is the JOSLOVE 12 colors gel liner gel polish. So this is how the packaging looks like. I really love the gold lid. And I'm not sure if you can see, but these bottles have like little swatches in the front and not on the top. So I really do appreciate like bottles if they have the colors already on the top of the lid, because it's easier to locate them that way. But still, it is really very cute to have the shade of the colors in the packaging itself. For me, honestly, I really love their packaging. It looks nice and you can see the quality, and it's not like cheap looking like bottles. So each bottles contain 10 ml of products, which I think you'll be getting more compared to the other gel nail art liners that I have here. Those ones have like only 8 ml of products in them. So yeah, you'll be getting more in these bottles. Alright, so this kit also came with a user manual. So the first few pages are a cute note from the company, and it also have the product description and a step-by-step process, and of course the ingredients. So at the back of this, you'll also be getting like a picture or a photo instruction on how to use them. So yeah, I think this one is very helpful for those of you who are still new to gel art liners. So now let's swatch these colors. So they have their numbers, so I'll be swatching them according to their numbers. So this one is 101 Poinciana Red. So make sure that you remove any excess gels first before you like put up the brush, so that it's not going to drip. And this is how the brush looks like. So I think the brush looks decent to me. It doesn't look super thin or super thick. It is more in the middle. So for the formula, it is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, but as you can see, the colors are really nice and opaque. It is pigmented, so you don't get that like streaks or uneven coverage. So far so good. I am just going to flash cure that in the lamp. And for the next color, this one is 102 Prism Pink. This color is really beautiful. It is perfect for the spring, and also beautiful when you like to create flowers or that trendy like swirl designs. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this color, but let me just swatch it again. And as you can see, the consistency is creamy and not like super liquidy. What I don't like about gel art liners is that when they start to like drip from the brush, but with this one, so far I am not experiencing it. So moving on to the next color, it is 103 Barbie Pink. Ooh, this one has more of a purplish like tone into it. It is really perfect and beautiful as well. So let's compare this color to the 102. So 101 and 102 will really look nice together. Alright, so moving on to 103, this one is Hyacinth Violet. not sure if you can see that, but even though you put like thick layer, it is not like dripping or moving. The product stays to where you put it, and it is really creamy and pigmented. And you guys, these three colors are giving me like unicorn vibes. They are so beautiful. Right, so I just fully cured that in the lamp, and moving on to the next color. This one is 105 Jacaranda Blue. So for me, this one looks purplish, but it has that like tint of blue. So they base it in the jacaranda plant, which I googled, and it really looks similar to this color. So I think it is really pretty and unique, and I don't have this color yet in my gel art liner collection. And why do they look so beautiful together? This color palette for me is really beautiful. It's giving me unicorn vibes and also perfect for spring. And speaking of spring, this color is so beautiful and perfect for pastel like spring nail art design. It is called Limpet Shell Blue, and it is a very nice like baby blue color. You guys, I am really so happy with these colors. They are so unique, and I am so glad that I don't have these yet in my collection. And they are really affordable in my opinion. They are $25.99 in Amazon, but you can use my code 15Jessie for additional 15% off. So that will bring you to $22 plus. I think they still have the promotion. You can clip another $4 off coupon, so I'll be putting the link in the description box. I'm not sure if the coupon will still be available like for a long time, but the 15 Jessie code will be available until May 15, so make sure to check out this kit if you like it before May 15, because that additional 15% off will also be like a $3 difference. So yeah, if you want to save some coins, make sure to use that code. So going back to the video, this color is really beautiful, and oh my goodness, this is definitely one of my top favorite. I know I haven't swatched all of them yet, but I am really a sucker for these kinds of colors. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the colors, and I will be back. Alright, so moving on to the next color. This one is a glitter. It is called 111 Glitter Silver. So I think this one is more of like a metallic chromed look, but it has like a micro glitter in it. So for me, this one is a little bit thicker, maybe because it has like more pigment or glitter in it, but that is how it looks like. So this is definitely my least favorite, but it actually still look nice. It doesn't like look terrible or what. So I think I just wish that it is more like sparkly or it has more glitter into it since the name is like glitter silver. But nonetheless, it is still beautiful. And I am not sure if you can see it, but this one is definitely a lot thicker than the rest of the colors. Okay, so for the last color, it is again another glitter and it is called Glitter Gold. So you guys, this one is a lot better than the silver in my opinion. It looks beautiful and more sparkly. So let me know in the comment box below if you want a mani or if you want me to use this in a manicure and to see if they will perform nice, because it is really different when you do it on your nails and on your like swatch stick. Alright, so I am now done swatching the colors. I also already fully cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. So it doesn't have a sticky layer on top of it, but you can apply gel top coat to make it more shiny and long lasting. But yeah, in my opinion, these colors are really so beautiful and affordable as well. So thank you so much guys for watching and see you again on my next videos. Bye!